Welcome to my channel.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this Lady Gaga style hat. We'll be needing a couple of things. We'll need a wool hat. I'll be making the red and the blue, the black one today. So you got the hat. Then you need your tacky glue. It dries clear, so you don't worry about it. Then you need your trimming, glitter trimming. You need cowries too. So let's go. This is an artificial blank. It comes in gold, silver, I think in red too. It's very shiny, but it's not stone. By the way, I used to use hot glue for this, but because it comes out kind of messy, then I started using this white tacky glue, and it dries clear. But it has a downside to it. It's wet, so you need some time to let it dry before you can go on to the rest of the hat. Now attach the cowries, and you need to hold on to it or else it falls off. When you're finished attaching all the one side of it, you need to place it up like this, hold it to put it away to dry, then come back and do the other side. That's just the only problem I have with it. Otherwise, I love the tacky glue. It works great. Now this is done for now. Now it's time for the final stage. Put the cowries, 4 cowries on the front, at the back, and the 2 sides. When I put this in the front, I will have to leave it for about 2 minutes to dry up before I can turn it around to do the back or the 2 sides, or else they fall off. While I wait for that to dry, I continue with the red one. That's just the downside, but if you have time, it's worth waiting for. You know, after making it, you need to clean it up. With the hot glue, it's so difficult to clean. After that, sometimes I don't even clean it all well, and my clients sometimes they complain. But with this, there's not too much work to do because it dries clear. So I'm going to put this away to dry, then I'll continue with the other one. I can flip it around, then it will fall off. You can clean up the excesses as you go, but anyone left doesn't show when it dries up because it dries clear. It's not fully dry now, so I'm still gonna leave it. can spray a little water on the brush to clean it when it's still wet, but as soon as it dries up, you won't find out where it was. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any question, put it down below. I will respond as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye bye.